start the recordings. Okay, so we are in our third session, and in our third session, we are adding the budget and the forecast. So this is our first activity which we are doing. So please uh, move ahead and just do this activity. Once you click on open, then just give me the indication. Done. That's good. Thank you, Mr. Arshad.
ऐसे भाई अभी कोई बाइक वाले है ना अवेलेबल नहीं है, वो उठा नहीं रहा कोई। मैं मतलब बारिश वारिश के चक्कर में थोड़ी देर में ट्राई करता हूँ, अभी तो नहीं हो रहा।
Okay, thank you. So I have two confirmations till now. Mr. Arif, this is third one. Okay, so I have quite a number of confirmations. Let's do this part. Once I will do this thing, then a navigator window will open. Yes, Mr.
Mr.
Ghazanfar, please.
Mr. Kashif, can you please share this data on WhatsApp, please? Because I'm unable to download it from the email.
Mm. Just 1 second.
Today in the email, I received only two files. One is for dataset 2, and the other one is
These are
session 1.
yes, these are the two files.
All right. But
These are
that's
the
an
two
Excel
files.
file, right?
No. Just open up the session 1 file and include the dataset 2. That's it.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Okay. Got it.
So now these are the files. One, then there are 5 budget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 budget. Then there is a cash flow. Then there are 5 forecast. Then there is a 4 profitability ratio. So 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, yes. So these are 13 tables. Okay.
We have to choose all of them, Kashif?
All of them, 13, all of
Oh.
them. And then click on transform data.
Yeah, with the exception of the last one, BS template or?
Yes, it was already selected at the top. So leave the second one behind.
You mean, I mean, in the list there is 13 or something. I saw you, the last one, which his name is BS template, not to include?
Yes, because it was selected right over here.
Okay.
Right? So leave the last one. On all the tables where you see blue tick, this one, blue tick, right?
Okay.
So the icon are different. This
Okay.
icon is different. This one, this icon is different.
Which one?
Okay.
I don't know if there are a lot of sheets, including forecast 2026, right?
No, don't
Mhm.
include forecast 20. I have not included for that 26.
No, up to when? I mean, where to stop? Because when I find the data set, there are many, right? Starting with
May I request only focus those files which I have ticked. Just review my screen.
just a minute.
Mr. Fateh, are you using 2 screens or 1 screen?
No, one screen.
Okay, that is why you are facing difficulty. Can you manage a second screen as well? Any one screen, second screen? It will be easy for you.
How to
Believe
do
me.
that? How to do that? How to
Just
make?
connect that screen with your system. That's it.
You mean okay?
Connect an additional screen. It can be any. Okay, it will make your life easy. because I think I know it is difficult to work in one screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for time being now I cannot, but now.
No, don't worry. Next week, hopefully next week. Yeah.
So just now let me see. In your screen there are this list of starting with BS template, right?
Exactly. So I can also facilitate you by taking a picture
Okay, good.
of this one and sharing it in the in both the groups,
Good.
in the Zoom chat and in the WhatsApp as well, right?
Good.
So I can facilitate you.
Good.
Mr. Arif, move ahead with the error. Don't worry. Leave the error. Okay. I know why there is an error. Just leave it. Okay. So once you have clicked on these sheets, which we need to include, then I am requesting to please click on the transform data, because we will work in Power Query. Okay. So Mr. Arif, you have the reason it is shown because you have clicked on the transform data and now Power Query has opened. Okay. That is why there is no error. It is showing that there is something pending. Okay, there is no error. Okay. So Power Query window has opened.
Yes, I mean.
Great. Once Power Query window has opened, the important thing is, what do you see right over here? Do you see the table icon, or there is some exclamation mark?
Where?
What do you see?
I see
Here,
normal.
right?
Yeah, just a
This
minute.
one,
Let me go.
right over here for participants. Okay, yes. So the icons, these icons.
Uh-huh.
Do you see explanation mark?
In which place you're talking? Uh-huh. Okay. Above here, at the top.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let me see what I see here. Actually, there is no. Everything is fine. Hello?
Okay, if fine, that's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
So I am assuming that you may see for these files right over here, the icons will be exclamation mark.
Mine is showing error.
So yes, why it is showing error?
Yes, it's showing information.
This is just a refresh of previous session.
Yeah. For me, the explanation marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No explanation mark. Starting from
Yes.
all the rest, there is explanation mark. Starting from profitability ratio up to the end, there is a green explanation mark.
Okay, I've
So
refreshed and the error has gone.
yes, may I request all participants to go in refresh option and click on refresh all?
Where is it?
Right over here, right. This one. If you can see my screen.
Just a minute.
Refresh all.
Okay.
Okay. Now what do you see?
Refresh. No, refresh just a minute.
On my end, everything is fine now.
Refresh all.
Now there are some
Now
exclamation marks.
all the yes disappeared. All explanation marks disappeared.
In actual TB, it is disappeared, or yes or no?
It is appearing in actual TB, and IS template exclamation marks are appearing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I believe in
yeah,
two
for me-
tables you will see explanation mark.
Mr. Kashyap,
Yes.
I have all other okay, but only the first actual TB and this one I'm receiving error.
Yes, there is
Yes.
an
So
error.
yes. This I explained in the previous session, but let me just we are refreshing our previous session. So I will ask this question: why there is an error in the first two?
Because of data source.
Exactly. So because of data source, because this is the file which I shared you, and it is connected with my table.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So how to
Okay.
remove this one?
No, just a minute, Ahmed, please. I want to add here.
No, please,
Actually,
please.
okay, when I download them or I save as, because I cannot download, so I choose save as. I change a bit in the name. I mean, at the end of the file name, I put one if you like this. So if this have, should I do anything else?
No. You need to do one more thing, which I will guide you right now. Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, good. So uh these two files are now connected with my system. And this is one of the question which I think one of the participants asked, if we share one of our files, so how we can ensure this connectivity error. So do you remember I have shared this dataset 1 in our first session? Remember?
Yes.
You have saved this dataset 1. Do you remember where you have shared this dataset 1? Yes or no? Great. So now we need to give the location of this dataset 1, not 2, dataset 1. Okay. So first of all, my request is to first click on actual TB. Okay. Click on actual TB. Go in source setting. So this is source setting, and click right over here. Okay. So did you click on the top, which is Power BI trial balance dot
Yes, but
XLSX?
yes, no. When I click in actual TV, it give me data source not found, file or folder could not find.
Yes, that is why we are doing this activity.
Okay.
Click on actual TV, then click on data source. I have guided all the participants with an arrow.
Yeah.
A small window will open.
Just a
It's the data source setting. I will request you to please click on. There are two files which are shown,
okay.
XLS. Please
Okay.
click on the file which is trialbalance.xls.
Just a
Are you done?
minute. Data source, and then I have to choose the first one, right?
The first one, which is Power BI trial balance dot XLS.
Data source current file. Just a minute.
Okay. I hope you are done with the same.
The
Once you are done with the same,
yeah.
then please choose this option. Source setting. Now we are in a process of attaching this file to your local computer. This Power BI file to your local computer.
So should I now click change source, huh?
Once you click on change source, a small window will open.
Okay, small window already open. Excel
This one.
workbook.
Yes, we all are at the right place. Excel workbook has opened.
Yeah.
In Excel workbook, you will click on browse.
Okay.
Okay.
No,
Once
just
you click on,
no, which
no,
browse? They are
no. There is one browse. There is only one browse.
okay, I did.
Okay. Now you need to select dataset 1, which is our first source. Dataset 1.
Where is data set one?
Where you have saved dataset 1, which is shared in my first session. Have you shared? That is why I
There is
asked.
final data set. Power BI.
No. Dataset 1.
Just a minute.
In my first session, I have shared dataset 1. Have you downloaded that one?
No, it is. Okay. Instead of digging back and can you
No
send
problem.
it? Can you send
Yes,
it just now?
I'm sending it right now in the
Please.
WhatsApp group.
Uh,
I will suggest going forward, I will suggest the things which I'm sharing, just put it in one folder. Okay, no problem.
yeah,
I'm
of course.
sending it right now
Okay.
in
Can you
the
send?
WhatsApp group.
Can you
In
send
the
it?
WhatsApp group
Can you send it by
I've
email to me, please? Sorry,
right now.
because I did in WhatsApp. Okay, no problem. Data set.
It is in the WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Please. Great. So you have clicked on dataset 1. When you click on open,
Yeah, just a minute.
okay. Are you done? All the participants are done. I think I have received quite a number of explanation. So let me just click on because I have already done activity, so I will not click on OK. But once you click on OK, your source error of these two files will be removed. Okay.
Data set
So we are
one.
good to go, right?
No, just a minute. Let's see for dashboard. Yes, that is it. So we have data set 1. I save it here.
Okay.
And then go back to browse.
Kashif, I am getting no error on all files. Maybe something wrong happened.
Yes. That is so. Let me see if you are not using an official uh, official computer, right?
No,
I can resolve issue. So Mr. Arshad, I think you have asked this right? So can you share your screen? I think Mr. Arshad, you have asked this part, right? Yes. Can you share your screen? Okay. So may I request for the controls, because luckily you are not using your official computer, so I can request for the control. So let's just refresh all. Yes, of course. So it has been done, and let's go for this one. So you selected the wrong file, but doesn't matter. Let's move forward. So this is session 3. I think you have downloaded session 3 file. Archive. Okay. Can you open the archive one? Okay. This is folder session 3. So may I go right over here? This is the file which I shared. Okay. So it is not maybe. Yes, of course. Quite a number of things are done in a wrong manner. So let me just go right over here. Okay. So what happened? This is, I think this. Okay. So right over here, this is TB. So this is attached with the wrong file. you need to attach it with this one. Okay. This is okay, and this is also attached with the wrong file. So you need to attach it with the one. So these two files are luckily coming from here, and this one moving forward is the one which is okay. So this is the source which is giving you an error. By mistake, you have chosen the wrong file, and that is why it was giving you an error. Okay. Can I multi-select all of them? No? Okay. Because before going to that part, let's do it in some other way because it will take some time. Other participants may, I think, are done with the same, right?
Yeah, for
Whether there
me,
is
Yes.
yeah,
Fine.
yes, Kashif, for me, I corrected everything and I downloaded the previous one, set one, and I went there and I choose it, and then I said after browse, choosing that one, and I said okay. What is
okay,
next?
that's great. That's great.
What is next?
Just please wait for a while. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just correct this part. Uh, there is just one mistake which has happened. So if I can just correct it, because at least uh, 1 hour of our session is related to Power Query. So this is kind of an important topic. If you are working with, say, budgets or forecast, which is kind of a normal. So that is why I'm just spending some time right over here just to
Okay.
correct this one. So just few, I think max 1 minute more
Okay.
because it was okay. So we are now good to go. Okay. So Mr. Arshad, it is now resolved. So let's move toward the next thing. Let me just give up the controls and let's move forward. Can you unshare your screen, please? Uh, and let me just share mine. Okay. So now, what we have over here, we have an unpivot data in the form of budget. So we have a 5 sheet of budget. So let me explain what we will do. Let's focus on budget first, and then we will move forward.
Yeah,
So
but yeah, sorry,
mm,
Kashif. I think we are there, right? You told us to get the data set one, and then browse and get it there. Then what is the next after that?
That is what I'm explaining.
No, because okay.
That is what I'm explaining. Okay. So I'm explaining that we have the data. Now what we will be doing. So I'm explaining what we all will do, and then we will practically do it. So we have of course we have a TB, and this actual TB has various projects A, B, C, D, E. We have project wise budgeted income statement. So we will follow some steps. Our first step will be to unpivot the table, okay? Because unpivoting the table means columns, one column of date and one column of value. That's it. And second thing is we will combine all the budgets in one table. So for A, B, C, D, E, F, we will have one table. Okay, so that's it. These are the two things. But of course, these two things will require some activities which we will do right now. So remember, once I was in my first session, so I explained that once you have a data set, you should ignore certain things. My first rule was, of course, to unpivot. My second rule was that there should not be any subtotals, grand totals, subheadings. Remember,
Yes.
there the data set which you have, because you will um, calculate those in Power BI. Okay, this is our data, budget A. So I will request the participants to please select budget project A first. Please select and give me the count of, or the total, or the subtotals, number of subtotals in this file. Okay, budget project A. First select budget project A first. How many subtotals? Okay, so one answer is 5, 5, 5. Okay, good. So we have this is gross profit. This is our one subtotal. Okay, then total operating cost, operating income, then net profit before tax, net profit for the period, and EBITDA. So it makes how much? 5 or 6?
6.
Exactly. So EBITDA is 6. Okay.
Is this
Mr.
operating
Arshad and
income
Mr.
is
Ghaz,
a subtotal?
Hello?
sorry?
Yeah,
Is
Ahmed.
operating income is a subtotal?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello?
Operating income is gross profit minus total operating cost, right?
Okay, right. Okay, got it.
Hello. Ahmed, how are you? Ahmed?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Please.
Okay, Ahmed, so I will go back to okay. When I told you that you asked us to browse and take set one, data set one, the previous one, and then said, okay, I'm there. And then I asked it, what is the next? What is the next step?
Mm, once you browse, okay, then the error will gone, and then we are now
And this
in
is
a
this is
stage where
yeah, I know, but this is not happening. I mean, uh, when I do this, uh, th- this
when you
it
do
is not,
what?
when I went to browse, okay,
Okay, can you share your screen? Let's
of
see.
course,
Okay.
okay,
Maybe I'm not understanding your question. Can you please share
maybe,
your
of
screen?
course, yes, okay.
Yes, okay, please.
Okay, so here at the top, actual TB with this error
Mhm,
and income
mhm.
statement with this error. So you say that we have to go to,
Okay, okay, you are at the previous step, no problem.
yes,
I
sir.
will request you for a control. Okay,
No,
can you give me the control?
no, cannot, because now the securities are closing this. So just tell me what I will do, I will manage.
No, because I have told, I think 4 or 5 times, but you have not managed. So you will have to give me the control, or you will have to sit back and review the recordings. That's it. 2 things.
Okay, I will sit back and review.
Yes, that's good.
Thank you.
So let me. Uh, can you unshare your screen, please?
Okay.
So I will do one thing. Once the Power Query working is done, then I will share my file so that you can work along. Because
Yeah, no,
there
no
is a
problem.
activity, so then I'll just share my file so you can work along. Okay, no problem. We are in uh, project A. Okay, so there are some subtotals. We need to remove those subtotals. So how to remove the subtotals? Because uh, the thing which we did right over here is I explained it theoretically. Okay, now we are doing it practically. So to remove subtotal, uh, we will just consider one subtotal, which is EBITDA, because we don't have depreciation right over here, the value of depreciation. So we'll consider just one subtotal, which is EBITDA, and we will remove the nulls as well. So I will just, like an Excel, you just click on the drop down, null, and just uncheck every element of subtotal. We will consider EBITDA, just one thing. Gross profit will not consider, net profit before tax will not consider, net profit for the period will not consider, operating income will not consider, and total operating tax will not consider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And of course, null. We will consider EBITDA. There is a reason, because we don't have the depreciation amount, budget amount. Okay, that's it. That is why we are considering the EBITDA. So please, I will request, click on the checkbox, uncheck the elements which I have done, and then click on OK. Great. Once you are done with the same, you will have a very clean information. Now, the second thing which we will do is we will right click, choose the option. We will right click on particular and choose the option unpivot other column. Okay, are we done with the same?
We will select only the first column and then rest other unpivot.
Unpivot other column. So what we are doing, because in short, these are our months, date, and these are the values. So in unpivot, we need just 2 columns. So we need to add the date right over here in one column and all the values right over here. This is what we did in the unpivot. That's it, right? So we did the unpivot. Once we are done with the unpivot, then we need to do one more thing, which is this column, which is an attribute column. Please change the name. Okay, it will be easy for us. So make a name of date. And this change name, then change the data type. Data type is ABC. Make it date. Change the data type to date, please. Okay. Okay. Data type is changed. So your data type of date is date. Yes or no? Completed. Okay. If the participants who are working with me, they are lagging behind, then just give me the indication. Okay. So most of the things are done. Now we need to, because we will be combining all the budgets, so we need one more column, and we will indicate that um, this value belong to project A. Okay. So we'll indicate this one, that this value belong to A in a new column, and we will do it for the others as well. So I will request to please go in add column, custom column. Okay. So let me guide you this one. So this is add column and this is custom column. Okay. Please add column and custom column. So once you are in add column and custom column, then you need to give it project type or give it a name of project. And in double quotes, this is important now. PROG. So it should be small case, upper case, everything should be in a right order.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Arif.
Sir, I am one step behind. Can you please, can I
Okay.
share your screen? You can do.
Yes, why not? Yes, of course. Just 1 second.
Okay,
Let
okay.
me just share this picture in the chat if the participants are doing, so they can easily just move along and do this activity, and I can just allow you to share your screen. Okay. Just
Thank you,
one
sir.
second. So this was the last activity which we are doing. And yes, please share your screen. Yes. Okay. So the activity, can I request for the controls?
Yes.
Okay. So this was the activity which I did, because this is a new column which is created, but the new column name is attribute, which is a technical name. So just change this one and change this as date,
Okay.
because this is a date. These are the two things which we did, right?
Okay.
And then we were at a step which is now we are at the step. Okay. So now you can do the same step which I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this budget project B.
No issue at all. It's budget project B, so just write project B. That's it.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, great. So let me just share my screen. Okay, if you are working with budget project B, so just write project B. So this was actually the activity which we did. Right? Column, add column, custom column, and then write this one. Okay. Once you are done with the same, once I click over here, you will see a new column. And if you are working with project A, so project A is written. Otherwise, if you are working with project B, so project B is written. Okay. Are we good? Can we move forward?
Yes.
Done. New column for project B appears. Yes, great. Okay. Now this is new thing which I am doing you explaining you right now in Power Query. Okay. So we have done these activities. Once we have a table, this was the original table. Okay. So we have done the activity of filtered the rows. We have done the activity of unpivot, then rename of column, then change the type, and then add the column name. The last activity which we will do is right over here. Do you see in project column, do you see ABC123 as a data type? ABC123, this data type? Yes or no? Okay, so just click on this data type, because the data type is not recognized. Just make it as text. Please, once you make it as text, okay, so these are our total steps which we have done. And we need to repeat this step. Okay, so I am now explaining you one more feature of Power Query, an additional feature of Power Query, where you can have a complete code. Okay, so let me explain this in a step-by-step manner. In a step-by-step manner, once we were here in this step, so I commanded the Power Query to filter the row. Power Query has filtered the row, but it has also generated this formula. right? So this formula is also generated. This is an M code formula. Okay, this formula is also generated. So you will see these kind of formulas once you use your Power Query working to automate. This is a formula. Every step has a different formula. Understood? This part is clear? Every step has an M code formula. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, because we need to do the same activity for project B, C, D, E, F. So we need the same type of activity. We can do it a hard way, or we can do it a shorter way. So let's go for a shorter way. Once we click on project B, how many steps are there in project B? For those participants who have not worked in project B, Mr. Arif has worked in project B. So you can click on Mr. Arif, you can click on project A. Okay. So how many steps are missing? Addition step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many steps are missing in project B?
6.
6, exactly. So these steps, if we can somehow copy these steps in the next file, we can transform our work. Okay, and this can be done. How to do it? Okay, let me explain. Because in every file, once you do a transformation, that transformation as a complete code is recorded, and that is recorded in the advanced editor. Okay, if you click on this file, like we are doing project A, and you choose the advanced editor. So if I just give me a minute, let me just uh, show you the advanced editor first. Okay, then we will move forward. Okay, once I click on advanced editor, so you can easily see in this advanced editor, we don't need to go much more deeper. This is source. The source you can find over here. So every step is recorded in a simple manner. This is change type. This is change type. This is add column. This is add column. Change type 1, change type 2, rename is also added. This is also added. Even filtered rows is also added. So in short, if we want to go for a shortcut, we need to copy paste all of these steps. Okay. Theoretically, not practically. Theoretically, do you understand this part first? Okay. Then we'll move forward practically. Theoretically, you understand this part? Do you have any
Yes, we
question?
understand.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do it practically. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let's just clear the annotation. Okay. First of all, starting from the last up till the comma which is from the filtered row, Control C, okay, and open up a text file, any text file. Okay, there are two text files which has opened. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Okay. So the text file. and let me copy paste. I copy pasted with the comma. Okay. So copy paste from the comma in a new text file. Are you done?
Yes.
Great. Now let me just close this one. And then I will request you to please use the second file of project. It can be project A, project B. In my case, it is B. We are in the third step. Okay. Now, please open up the advanced editor of the project B. Okay. So click on project B. This is one. And open up the advanced editor of project B. Opened. Okay. Yes or no? Do you see the advanced editor of the next project? Budget? This one?
Yeah. Yes.
Great. Delete the last two rows. Delete the last two rows. And paste from the comma. Because in the text file, I've pasted this part. Paste from the comma. Okay. That's it. Change only because for me, it is project B. So I will change the project right over here. That's it. Because this is project B. So that is why I am writing B. Okay. Are you done? There is any error, any syntax error? Because this is a critical part.
Yes.
Syntax error, yes or no?
No syntax error.
That's good. Okay. So once you click on done, then it will do all the activities. So you can copy paste the code and it will do all the activities. Same, I will request you to please repeat the same. The part of the code is already copied. For other participants, because one of our participants, Mr. Fateh, is having an issue, so I will share my file to him and of course to all the participants once the Power Query work is done. So it will be done after these activities. And for other participants, if you're finding it difficulty, this is a technical thing I know, but it's an important part as well. So for those participants who are working along with me, please work along with me. For those who are facing any error, don't worry. I will share my file in the mid so we can work along together. Okay. We will do the same for every project. Okay. For C, I will go in advanced editor. And once I go in advanced editor, I will delete the part, copy paste the same. And same, if there is no syntax error, I will change the project to C, and that's it. I will go to D, advanced editor, and I will do one more thing. I will delete this part, copy paste the same, and in the same manner, if there is no syntax error, then this is project D. And then I will go for E, advanced editor. And this is our project E. So as far as our working is concerned, we are done with the budgets, 5 budgets. Okay, so I will just wait for the budget files. Once you are completed the budget file, then please. It is giving me an error. Okay, so can I request you to please share your screen? Mr. Arif, can I request you to please share your screen? Okay, so where do you find the error? No, no, no. This is not the error. Go in Power Query. This is not the error. There is an error in Power Query. Okay, just hold on a bit. Just hold on a bit. Hold on a bit. Okay, just hold on a bit. Can I request your control? I will request for a control. Okay. Okay. Okay, good enough. There is just one thing which you need to do, because this is project B. So this column is project B. This is project. So this column is project B. So we need to just write B right over here. A. Okay. So it should be A. This is C. So what you have written? Okay, you have not done with C, D, and E. So please complete C, D, and E. Okay. In the same manner, have you done the project B? Okay. Please. Can you open your mic? Because you are saying there's some error. So there's no error in Power Query. Can I request? Yes, Mr. Arif. Yes, there is no error in Power Query. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Can you repeat again?
Sir, that's for my main project, project B, which I did all the calculation of PowerBI. Okay.
Exactly.
And when I copy from advanced editor and paste it
Hmm.
to project A, it will give me an error.
But it is resolved. Somehow it is resolved.
Okay.
Somehow it
Okay.
is resolved. Now no error. Okay.
Okay. And I will copy from project B and then paste it accordingly in A, C, D, and E. Right?
Yes. Not in A. A is complete. Now go for C. C, D, E.
Okay. And sir,
Please.
what about the name? It will automatically update it, or do I
No, no,
need
no.
to change?
Yes, you need to change. Don't worry about it. If it is A along, I will change it. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me give up the controls.
Nice.
Yes. Can you unshare your screen, Mr. Arif? Can I? And if anyone needs
Yes,
my
I
help,
want to share my screen.
yes,
My-
yes. Why not? Yes. Okay. Let me just unshare my screen, please. Okay. So can I? Okay, you're using your office computer? Okay, because I cannot work on this part. Okay, so please, first of all, I cannot. Okay, uh, can you click on this project B? Can you click on project B? Somehow, actually, you are. I cannot control your screen, so I cannot help you.
Wow.
There is an error. You are right, but I cannot help you in this manner.
Okay, what did I do wrong? Because I thought I followed the step.
No, you have not done this right. So Mm, I will request you to please just see my screen right now, okay?
Okay.
Because I can resolve this issue, but it's a long process. I can do it fast, but I cannot control your screen. You're using your office computer. Somehow I cannot.
I'm using my personal. I don't know why.
Why? Can you give me the control?
So how can I do that?
Just on the options. When you hover your mouse, you can see certain things.
I see caption request host.
Yes.
Request
Request
the hosts.
the.
It's not there.
It is not there, right?
It's not there.
It's not there. That is why I'm not getting the option. Somehow I'm not getting the option. Okay, because I know how to remove it, but if I just tell you, so it will be hard for you. So just click on project A. Click on project A. Let's try to, if it is done. Go to advanced editor. Copy the entire one. Copy entire
The entire
from
file.
the top.
Okay.
Yes. Control C. Paste it in the text file, any text file. Control V. Okay. Now close the advanced editor. Close. Done. Okay, done. That's good. Go to project B. Go to project B. Open the advanced editor. Okay. Delete the complete code. The code which you see in the advanced editor. Delete the code. Complete code. Okay. Now paste that code. That code which was copied. Okay. Now please stop right over here. In the second row, which is budget underscore project A table, data source item is equal to project underscore project A. Delete
Yes.
A, write B. Yes. Okay. And in the second last, project B capital. Click on OK, done.
Wow.
Okay.
So I think I can do
Go
C
in
myself.
C. Yes, go in C in advanced editor. In advanced editor, delete what is written. Delete. Control C. In the second line, project C.
It changed to C itself. Automatically
No,
changed
no,
to
no,
C.
no. No. Delete this one. Delete. It is copied the same one. Delete. Okay. Go to the text. The text file. Yes. Now. Okay. Second line. Capital C. Capital. No. There shouldn't be any space. Delete the space. Yes. And in the third last, C. Click on done. Okay. We are good to go. So you can
Yes.
repeat this one. Okay.
Yes, I can do it. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Actually, this is the thing which is working behind the scenes. This is important. This is the foundation part. Then, of course, we will go for the analysis, which tends to be much more attractive activity to do. And of course, but this is an important part. Okay. If anyone is left behind, don't worry. I'll share my file to all the participants. So we will do the same activity for the forecast. So we have the forecast as well. So I will do the same activity for forecast. I'll go in the forecast project A, advanced editor, and I will do one more thing, which is okay. Somehow my mouse was not working. Okay, now it's working. Control V. This is project A. Complete. Then I'll go for forecast of project B. And click on OK. Then I will go for the forecast of projects. Okay, this I have not changed that one. Okay, no problem. I'll change this one to C. Done. Then I will go for D, advanced editor. And this is D. And then I will go for E, advanced editor. And this is E. Okay. So now I have completed the budgets, 5 file of the budgets and 5 file of the forecast. Okay, so just a few activities are left of Power Query. Then we can go for our working for the analysis part. Okay, so we need to combine the tables. So these are our budget table. We need to combine all the budget tables and we need to combine all the budget table first. Let's focus on first the budget table. Okay, because we need to combine all the budget tables. So for budget tables, what was the feature which we use for combining the tables? Not the lookup. So I will give you a hint. It's merge or it's append. So which option to use? Merge or append? Yes, merge is like a VLOOKUP. So we'll not use merge, we'll use append. Okay. And I explained that we will have more than one file once we will work in our work. So let's click on project A and we will use append. So let me request you to click on project A and choose the option of append query as new. Okay. Please click on project A and choose the option append query as new. Okay, so have you selected append query as new? Yes or no? Append query as new. Once you select, we have more than 2 tables, okay? So we will select the option 3 or more. There are no 2 tables, 3 or more. And then we will select B, C, D, E. So once you select the 3 tables, more than 3, you should have 5 tables. Okay. Once there are 5 tables, because we need to append all of them, then click on OK.
Rom.
Yes, please. So are you done? You have one complete budget file.
Yes.
Great. So we will repeat the same. So this is our one appended file. So just rename it as budget. That's it. This is our complete budget file. Once we have this file, don't delete the project A budget, okay? Just choose the option, just because we don't want to load this in a Power BI. This is our staging file or our supporting file. So we will just click on project A and choose this option, enable load, uncheck this option. Enable load, just uncheck this option. Okay, so it will be italic. Just uncheck this option, enable load, it will be italic. So now these two things, we will do the same for forecast. So I will click on the forecast. I will choose the option append as new. So I will request the participants to please select. Then after this activity, our work is almost done. We can have a break of 10 minutes and then we can come back. So click on the forecast of project A and please click on append query as new because we want to create a new table. Okay, so this append query as new. We will select 3 or more tables and this is forecast. So I will select B, C, D, E. So I have A, B, C, D, E. Mr. Arshad, all done? That's good. So once you have the 5, of course, forecast, this is the one which we need to append all of them in one table. So I will. So this is just a repetition of the previous step. Once we are done with the same thing, I will just give it a name of forecast. There are 5 projects which we have. Then I will click on enable load, uncheck the enable load. Our work is almost done. Now the Power Query work is complete. The last activity before we can go for a break, and I will now share this file to all the participants. I will email this one to all the participants so that for all those participants who are not working with me right now, they can work with me in the DAX. We'll be working in the DAX after the break of 10 minutes. Okay. So I will request the participants to please close and apply. At the top, there is an option close and apply. So please just click on close and apply. That's it. So your working will be close and apply. And it's almost time that we are right now at a stage of break. So let's have a 10 minutes break. And in the meanwhile, I will also share this file through an email. Okay. Okay, so let's have a break of 10 minutes.
يا سيد، وين الناس هون؟ الحمد لله بخير. مش خلاص رفعته او يمكن كلاينتس هابي وكل شيء.
Okay, participants. So let's uh, let's open up this one. I'm opening up the file. I have shared the file. I have shared the latest file to all the participants. So my file is opening. So for all participants who are not working for this technical part, have they downloaded the file? Because now we can work in Power BI. Uh, so I have shared the file through an email to all the participants. This was the email which I did. I have shared my file. So have you received this? Yes or no?
Yes, downloaded it.
That's good. So that is a file in which we have done all the work on Power Query. So Mr. Fateh Musa, okay, you can also work because there was some issue in your Power Query working. So you can also work.
Okay, so I download it. So I will start from your file. Huh?
Exactly. That will be great. That will be great.
Okay, so
So
I'm
thank
here
you for
now.
the understanding. Thank you for the understanding because I have to go back a lot of steps. So that is why I
Yeah,
requested you
no,
to
no,
please
no,
just hold on a
no
bit.
problem,
I will
no
share the file.
problem, no problem.
Okay.
But I
Okay,
just have
good.
question. I'm following actually step by step. Does I have, I think, very important
Hmm.
question regarding that last very technical and very important. I think it is crucial. The repeating of the five uh, 5 sheets of budget and 5 sheets of
Hmm. Hmm.
forecast.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, uh, uh, just to correct me if I'm wrong, if I understood things right,
Hmm.
when you have any sheet, for example, say budget project A, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
on the left there are on the right there are the steps, right? And
Exactly. These are the automation steps.
yes, and on the left there is 18 sheets, you can say, okay? So,
Yes. Yes.
whenever you put when you put a cursor in the left side of the sheet, say for example project A, on the
Hmm.
left side on the steps, it will appear how many steps being applied there, right?
Exactly.
Okay,
These
no,
applied steps.
yeah, I know. Just let me just because I have a
Finish,
question
please,
here.
please. Yes,
Okay,
please.
so this is the case. Then when we go to the part of the advanced editor, okay?
Hmm.
In that one, then appear the script of the formula, you can say, or the code, right?
Hmm.
Okay, my question
Yes.
is
Yes.
that is this valid for each and every single individual sheet, whatever the data is, and whatever the steps done, or no?
Uh, it is valid for the same type of data set. For instance, in our case, uh, it is valid for these 5 sheets. Only these 5, not all. Okay? Because,
No. Suppose Ahmed, there is only one project. It is A, just A,
okay, understood.
and we put the cursor there in the project A, on the left
Hmm.
and on the right. Say there is the normal, the basic one of steps, one or two. Okay,
Hmm.
and we go to the advanced editor.
Hmm.
There is a, a script or code to
Hmm.
show up or no?
Okay. If I understood your question correctly, if I click on project A, only project A, okay?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Okay,
I go to advanced editor,
yeah.
I open up this script, okay?
Okay,
This script belongs to only project A.
okay. Okay, so this is my point actually. So that
Hmm,
means
hmm,
whatever the project is, the single
hmm,
one, I mean, if it is
hmm.
project A or if it is project D or it is investment X or whatever it is there, since there is a sheet, there is a data, okay, in the left side.
Okay, okay. So can we do one thing? Can I
Yeah,
take your project at the end? Your questions?
yeah,
I'll more than happy to
yeah,
take your
so sorry.
questions.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
Let
go
me
ahead.
take your question at the end.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
Okay,
So let me just move to another thing.
okay, go ahead.
So let me do it in this way. Let's move forward. And I appreciated the questions. Of course, they are important. So let me just take these questions of Mr. Musa at the end. So we are at a stage right now where we have our budget and our forecast, and then we can move toward the model. We need to first connect with the model. Okay. So let's go to the model view. So my request is to please go to the model view first. Now, Mr. Zubair, okay, Mr. Zubair is saying, can we work on the same file? Yes, of course, we can. You can work on the same file, no issue at all. So I am requesting you, the participants, to please go in the model view. Okay.
Is it the same file which we worked before in the break?
Mr. Arif, your voice is coming from very far away.
Sir,
Can
is
you
this the
just
same file which we worked before the break, or is
yes,
this the
yes,
one
yes,
which
yes.
you email us?
Same file, same file, same file which I've emailed you. Okay.
Okay, okay. I am closing the file which I worked on, and I am now opening. I am now opening your file and start the working from this. Right?
Okay, no problem, no problem. So may I request you to please click on the model view. All the participants are in model view. Yes or no? Yes, that's great. So in the model view, we need to make sure few things. So first of all, the template tables, let me just make it big. All the tables, let me just drag all the tables right over here. Okay, let me make it big. This is date, and this is budget. So let's just focus on those tables which are important for to connect with the model. Okay, this is forecast. All measure, template, they are not important. They are connected, so we don't have to worry about it. Let's just focus on the things which we need. Okay. So in the model view, you need to place the tables in this order. Actually, placement of this order doesn't have an effect or as far as analysis is concerned. It's just it will be easy for us to connect. That's it. Okay. So have you placed these four tables in this manner? It will be easy for us to connect.
Yes.
Okay. Once you connect it, then we need to make the connection with the table. So right over here, we have a table of we have date. We need to connect date with date and date with date. How? We need to make the connection in this manner. This date with date and this date with date. Okay. So this is the connectivity which we will be doing. So date to the date. This is one. Click on save. And let's move forward to the second one. Date with the date. Okay. So 2 connectivities. Once they are done, then just give me the integration.
Yes, done.
That's great. Once it is done, then we can move toward the next thing. Let me just yes. Now your BS template, CF template, are they connected? IS template, BS template, CF template, are they connected?
Just one thing, how to connect? I think I missed that step.
Okay. First of all, we need to connect date with date. So your date table is connected with 3 table? Yes or no, Mr. Ashwin? This date table, which you see right over here, is it connected with 3 tables?
Not yet. So that how to connect it?
Okay.
Mm.
Connecting it is easy. Let me just show you again.
Yeah.
Let me delete the connectivity. So just drop the date of any column, date on this, on budget. Date on
Okay.
budget. That's it.
Okay.
Drag and drop date on date. A small window will open. Just click on save.
Okay. Okay.
Great. And now I am requesting just for you to review in your file whether these tables are connected. Yes or no?
Yes, they are connected in my own phone.
They are connected. Okay. So just do one thing. Delete these connections because we don't need these connections. Just right click over here, delete. So these tables shouldn't be connected. Okay. So I hope we are good to go. Then we can move toward the next thing. So let's delete this one and let's go in the first view, which is the report view. Okay. So let's go in the report view. Now we are done with our first 3 sessions. So first 3 steps, first 3 foundations. Okay. We can easily go with the review. Okay.
Okay. Ahmed, I have question here.
Please.
Okay. The previous step, which is view, okay?
Hmm.
The the connected ones or the one which we connected. So
Hmm.
when we went to the view at the first time, then
Hmm.
this blogs appeared, actual budget and this and this.
Hmm.
These ones are, let us take the budget for example. This blog or this sheet, or you can say this square anyhow, contain of the data of the 5 projects. You can say
Exactly.
combined in here.
Yes. This is 5 budgets.
Mhm.
These are 5 forecasts.
Okay. And the date, what about the date? This
Yes, of course.
no, I mean the above one, which is contain.
Date.
Yeah. This
This
is,
one.
yes, this one is what? I mean,
This one is a calendar table. It has a date from it has a date of our table. Our table has a date for 3 years, 24, 25, 26. So it has a date for 24, 25, 26, regardless of how many tables are connected. It doesn't
great,
matter.
great. So
Okay.
from it, we connected we connect this date file with the other
Hmm.
three. I can say file, okay?
Yes.
We connect this file, the date one, which is, I can say to some extent it is connected to all the other three. We
Hmm.
only connected through the date, right?
Yes.
Because this is a connection between the four together as a group, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly. Exactly. You're right.
Okay.
Okay. Great. So, in short, actually, we did the foundation part, which we recommended. So the 1, 2, 3, and now we are at the fourth step, the analyze step. Okay. So I will request you to please go in the report, in the same report which we are working. In our first um, day, we have done the three calculations, basically three calculations in our first day. So let's move on. Let's move on and try to do the calculation of the income statement. Okay. So this is our template of income statement. Okay. So we have revenue, direct cost, and gross profit. So let me just give you a brief because we have done this in our first session, which is 3 days, 2 days ago. So let's just give you our what we did. So this is like a summary formula, which we did in our first session. So I'm saying there is a sum of one column, which is TB value. It is adding all the values of the trial balance. Okay, we have this column, and this measure is doing the same. So once you have this column and you have this sum, just combine the numbers which belongs to revenue in level 2. So in our case, in our trial balance, this is level 2, and in level 2 we have revenue. Okay, so we have revenue, it is combined over here. So it's like a sum if we did for revenue, we did for direct cost, we did for gross profit. Now it's time to move forward and do the other calculations for to complete our first actually basic income statement. So let's move forward and let's do the calculations of our income statement and let's build up the income statement. So we will start with our selling and distribution cost. Okay. Selling and distribution cost will require the same methodology of direct cost. So I will just copy the same working. Control V. And I will do one more thing. Let's go right over here. Selling and distribution. Selling and distribution. And selling and distribution. Okay. Same methodology. Nothing fancy. And I will save this one. Okay. So what I did, let me just repeat it again because this is the second time we are doing the measure. I went into the table and then I searched for the option of new measure. Okay. I clicked on the table. I searched for new measure. New measure, click on the new measure and just paste this formula in the new measure. Okay. And press enter in your keyboard. You will see the formula has appeared. Okay. Somewhere over here. So once you have the formula, just give me the indication that you have the selling and distribution cost. Okay, are you done with the same? You have the formula of selling and distribution cost. Okay, great. So we will use the same methodology. Same methodology. Let me just copy paste the same thing. Okay, let me just write it over here. A new measure. So I will do at least 2 or 3 measures, and then I will give the participants a time to do the calculation. Okay. So
I
right
tried
now,
the formula, but now the selling distribution
okay,
cost is coming in the TB, not in the my years. I don't know how it's reached there.
okay. I can show you how to remove it. Okay, I can show you. Just hold on a bit. Just hold on a bit. Let me show you how to do this one. Okay. So let me. This is the general. This selling and distribution. Okay. So let me put it in the TB. Okay. Let me do it in the same manner. So this is my TB and this is the selling and distribution, right? This is the case.
Yes.
Okay. So if your measure is in the wrong table, then first click the measure. Measure toolbar will open, and at the extreme left side, you will find this option, home table.
Okay.
Just choose the table.
Got it.
So
Okay.
I will choose the table of all measure.
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Great. Welcome. So general and admin cost, this is the one which we did. So I will do one more, okay, which is the total admin cost. So I will do for total admin cost, and then I will give the participants time to do these calculations. Okay. So we'll have the working up till total admin cost. So one is general admin cost. The formula I have given. The total operating cost. It will be selling and distribution and admin, general and admin cost. Okay. So this is my total operating cost. Okay. So once you are done up till operating cost, then please give me the indication. Please check I'm not getting selling and distribution cost. Okay. Do you want to share screen, Mr. Arif? Okay. Can you, if can you share your screen? Just I'll see. Okay. So can you open your mic so that I can hear you?
Yes, sir.
Please. Okay. So what is the problem?
Sir, when I go here, all measures and then new measure. Now,
Okay.
where I will
Write the formula right over here.
which you share in chat.
Yes, of course. I will share it again.
This
I've
formula.
shared it. Yes, I've shared it again in the chat.
Okay. I copy this
Selling and distribution cost. And not
paste here.
well, first delete what is written. Measure is equal to, delete the measure is equal to.
Okay.
Just Control V.
Control V.
Okay, press enter.
Press enter.
So you have the formula, right?
Right. Okay.
Okay,
Sir?
then general admin. I have shared it again.
Okay. General admin, right?
Okay, and then the
Okay.
total operating. Okay, so you can unshare your screen. Okay, in the same manner.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. This, of course, I know it will be hard for you to understand how to get the formula bar. So we will definitely do it in once. Okay, so all the participants are done up till the total operating cost.
Now in total operating cost, I'm getting error. Whenever I do it, it says error.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Let me see what is the error. Okay, because you have not created general and admin cost. Okay, don't do anything. Okay, click on new measure. Click on new measure. Don't do this one. Just click on new measure. You see new measure? Yes, click on new measure. Okay, now the formula which I have given in the chat, total operating, the formula is general admin cost. Yes, so this formula which I have given you in right now in the chat, general admin cost. Just copy paste this formula, general admin cost. Control V. Enter. So your total operating error is gone.
Yes. No,
Yeah,
total
okay.
operating, I have to do it again, maybe?
No. Click on total operating. Click on total operating. No. Yes. There is no error.
Yeah, no error. Okay.
There is no error.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, how can Power BI find a formula if it is not created? Okay. That is why it
Okay.
is giving an error. Okay.
Okay.
So please unshare your screen. Let me share mine. So this is kind of a basic things how to create the measure, and of course we are uh, right now in our second session as far as the measure are concerned. So I can totally understand. It will require some practice. So we will, of course, we are doing a practice in the live session, but I will request you to please do the practice in if you find, because this is our last session for this week. So we have a break of around 2-3 days. Then we will meet on Tuesday next week. So in between, please do some practice. Let's move toward our fourth actually measure, which is operating income. Right? Operating income. So I will click on all measure. I will click on new measure. And we will click on operating income. Okay. And let's move forward with the operating income. So operating income is gross profit minus total operating cost. Okay. Operating income is gross profit minus total operating cost. So I will give the formula for operating income right now. So we are done up till operating income. And then I can go for, I will do 3 calculations: operating income, finance cost. So let's go for the finance cost. So operating income, then finance cost, and then we'll go for one more. And then I will stop. Okay. Okay. Other income and expenses. So other income and expenses, other income and expenses. Okay, now I'm stopping. I'm stopping because I have done 3 additional calculations, and I will request the participants to please do the same. We don't have session tomorrow. We have 3 sessions, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then we will have 3 sessions next week and then next week. So we don't have session tomorrow. It is 3 weeks in total. Yes, yes, of course. 9 sessions, 3 weeks in total. Okay, Sam, figures in graph, not in boxes, like you have. Okay, let me guide you how to do this one. Okay. So Mr. Arif, just do one thing. Just do one thing. Add a new measure of the new. This is a measure of numbers, right? Big numbers. So add this measure. Do you have a measure? Or click on the graph, the measure which is in the graph. Okay, let me just assume that this is a measure which is in graph, right? Just click on that measure and that. Okay, you have done that visual, and you can always just change that visual. Okay, so are you done up till participants? Are you done up till other income? Yes. Okay, good. So once you are done with other income, then we can move toward the next thing. The next thing is, yes, profit before tax. So let's create a new measure, profit before tax. Profit before tax. Okay, profit before tax is operating income minus finance cost plus other income and expenses. Okay. So this is our profit before tax. So this is profit before tax. Then we will go for the calculation of tax itself. So this is tax. Okay. And then the net profit. So I'm doing 3 calculations and then I will stop. This is our net profit. Okay, so net profit is profit before tax minus tax. Okay. So we are done up till net profit. Of course, we need to do the calculation for EBITDA, but let me just stop right over here, and I will wait for the participants to do the calculation up till net profit. Done? Okay, that's good. Done, that's good. Okay, great. Just 1 second. Done, that's good. So that's great. Let's move toward the next thing. Let me. Okay, so now we are at a stage where we have done basic calculations for the income statement. One thing is remaining. That thing belongs to EBITDA. Okay, for EBITDA, we have everything, but we don't have the depreciation. So let's just see where is the depreciation. So in our TB, the depreciation is at level 3. This is level 3. So we want to check what is our depreciation. So this is our depreciation, right? And if I click on the depreciation and amortization, now these are the depreciation, right? Depreciation. So this is our depreciation. And if this is the income statement depreciation, okay, income statement value, we will not go for accumulated because accumulated depreciation is a balance sheet value, right? So we'll not go for that one. We will go for the text, which is depreciation and amortization, okay? So this is the text which we need in our working, right? Because once we click over here, then we can get depreciation, okay? So we will choose level 3 depreciation in our working. So we will use the same formula of the cost. That's it. The same formula of cost. So we'll go in the same formula. The only thing which we will change, let me just give it a name. I will not give it very big name. Just only the depreciation. Okay. I will refer complete over here, and right over here I will just give it a small name, depreciation. This is at level 3, not at level 2. So this will be my formula for the depreciation, because it is at a different level, a different mapping in order. So once I have this figure, then I can move toward the next thing. Okay. So now this is depreciation. Once I have the depreciation, then I can work back and do the calculation of EBITDA. Okay. So EBITDA is simply, if I just add net profit plus tax plus finance cost plus depreciation. Okay. So I will.
Sorry, I got two error. I was trying to fix it, couldn't do it. In profit before tax, when I add the Meyer, this showing error.
Okay. So for other participants, we are almost done with all the calculations up till EBITDA. I have shared the formula up till EBITDA. And yes, Mr. Arshad, you can you please share your screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So leave this alone. Okay. Leave this formula alone. Please click on new measure. Please click on new measure. Okay. The formula which I have shared in the chat, please add this formula. Finance cost formula. Please add this formula. I've shared in the chat of Zoom. No. Don't click on quick measure.
Yeah.
Can you open the chat of Zoom? There is a formula
yes.
of finance cost.
Yeah, I
Right
can do
now
that.
I paste
Yes.
it. Delete what is written. Paste that formula. Press enter. Yes, all errors are gone.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to go. We're good to
Thank
go.
you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let me just share my screen right now. Okay. So I will just request the participants to please confirm whether you are done up till EBITDA. Okay. Done, great. So this is our working sheet. WORKING working sheet. Now we will move. I will request you, because we will do quite a number of working things. Like an Excel, once you are working in Excel, right? So there's a plus sign. So please click on the plus sign. Okay. You will have a new sheet. And now we are creating our individual dashboards. We will start with the income statement dashboard. Income statement. That's it. So please add a new sheet using a plus sign and give it a name of income statement, please. Okay, great. Once you're done with the same, once you are working in a professional organization or you're working for a project for any organization, it is recommended to add professional backgrounds. Okay. What I did, the working which you have seen on my LinkedIn, it is because of the backgrounds which I have showed right over here. So there are different backgrounds. These are the simple objects which I pasted in PowerPoint. Simple objects. Okay. This is how I created background. And this is how just taken the screenshot and save it as a JPEG file. Okay. So now I will explain how to add this in Power BI. So I will share a JPEG file right now in the Zoom chat. So this is a picture, one picture. Okay. So let me share this picture right now. Okay. So I have shared the picture in the Zoom chat. And once you have this picture, then you will have to click on the format panel. Let me just open up the annotation so that it will be easy for you. This is the format panel. In the format panel, there is an option of background. Do you see canvas background?
Yes.
Great. In the canvas background, you will see browse option. So please click on browse option. And right over here, just give a location where you have saved the image, which I have shared. So this is the image. So I will share all these images right now in the chat. CFO dashboard backgrounds. Okay. CFO. And I will also email them. CFO dashboard backgrounds. So I will share the PPT file and all those things right over here in the group
Mr. Kashif,
so that you have.
I cannot see the settings icon.
You cannot see the settings icon. Okay.
I think that I cannot see where these are the icons.
Okay. One by one. I think the first question was from Mr. Zubair, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So one by one. First Mr. Zubair, then Mr. Arshad. Yes, Mr. Zubair, can you share your screen? Let me see. I did one activity which you have not done in my first session. Okay, let me repeat that again. So just give me the indication, Mr. Arshad.
Yeah.
Do you see the visualization panel like this one?
Yes.
Okay, so please do this activity with me. Okay,
Okay.
because your problem will be resolved. Okay. So, Mr. Arshad, I will request a control from your side.
Zubair, because screen your screen. You want my screen?
Uh, of course, you will do the work in
Okay.
your Power BI file. Okay.
Okay, I will share your screen.
No, don't share your screen.
Okay.
Please do the work in your file right now as you
Okay.
are. Okay. Mr.
Okay.
Zubair, this is, of course, you're working. So, you know, you have shared this one, right? So let me just save your file. So your file is saved. Okay. This is first thing. Second thing, for Mr. Arshad, please go in file,
Okay.
option, and click on this part option.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is for Mr. Arshad. I will just wait. Do you see the option? This one?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great. Right over here, you will see a preview feature.
Okay.
This is preview feature, right?
Yeah.
Click on. So you have saved your file, first of all.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Click on every checkbox.
Okay.
These are the updates.
Okay.
Click on every checkbox. Okay. Once
Okay.
all checkbox are clicked, everything is done. Then you need to click on OK.
It's done. 1 minute. Let me check.
Every checkbox
Yes.
should be clicked. Once you click on OK, it will give you a message. That message is that to activate the feature, you will have to restart Power BI. Do not restart
Okay.
computer, restart Power BI. So click
Okay.
on OK.
Okay.
And of course, Mr. Arshad, I will save and I will close this one. So you remember where you have saved this one, right?
Yes.
Mr. Arshad,
Yes.
okay, yes.
Mm.
Mr. Zubair, this is your screen. So you know where you have saved this file.
Yes, I
Just
know
close
that.
it.
Yes, I know.
Yes, please. So please save this file, unshare your screen and open it up. It will work, okay?
Same, I have to close
Okay.
and open it up again.
Yes, close and open it up, okay? Please. So it will work. It will have the same thing and it will work, okay? Okay, now your screen should be same as mine. You will see the same kind of UI UX as mine. So what I was doing, I was clicking on the format in the new sheet. Format panel has opened and I have clicked on the canvas setting, browse, and I was just opening up or adding the background. Okay.
Just 1 minute, I'm restarting it.
Among the participants who have added the background.
Yes, I've done mine.
Okay, Mr. Hassan. So do you see the background?
Yes.
That's great.
Yeah, now I can see this option. Okay.
Okay, good. So this is how you can add a customized background. There is one question by Mr. Arif. Yes, of course, you can change the name because that is why in the group you will see that I have also shared a PPT file, background CFO dashboard. Mr. Arif, can you see PPT file? You can always change it accordingly. So do you see, Mr. Arif, the PPT file in the WhatsApp group? Okay, so no answer by Mr. Arif. I think no problem. Okay. So I believe all the participants, once they click on open, they will not see the background. They will see the background with once you click on search, stretch, and make the transparency 0. Okay. So after doing all these things, you will have to do two more things. Stretch and transparency should be 0. Okay. So do you see the background?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
So I guess my Power BI is the updated one. I don't have stretch. I have the fill. So
Okay,
fill
that's
and
good.
stretch, they are the same.
Okay. Maybe, of course. So once you are done with the save, then you have the background file. Okay. Now we need to add because we need to create an income statement. Okay. Our goal is to create an income statement in this format, this one. Simple. So let's move forward. I will add a simple text. Okay. So let me just add a very simple text right over here. So this is a text box, which I showed you earlier in our previous session at least. Yes, this is the one. So let me just add a text. So this is my detailed analysis. Income statement. Okay. And this is actual versus budget versus forecast. And for the period of, I'm not giving any period right now. Okay. We will give a period, not right now, but we will give a period. So this is my working, and then I will just make this one bold and a little bit highlighted. So I will change the font a bit and change this one as, okay, this is too much lighter. So let me just make it much more darker. Yes, this one. And let's change this color to much more darker color. This one right over here. Okay. So it is much more prominent. Okay. So this is our title, simple title. The thing which I will request now to please open up the build option. Okay. So once you open up the build option right over here, okay, let me just use this part. Okay. Once you open up the build option, then add this visual metrics. Okay. So this is a visual which I am requesting you to add metrics. So do you have metrics?
Yes.
Great. Once you add metrics, once you are at this stage, then we will do, we'll add the elements of template right over here. So I will open up the income statement template. Okay. This is my income statement template. From here, I will add index and particulars. Okay. So I have added index and particulars in the rows. Okay. Please add index and particulars in the rows.
Done.
Okay. once you are done with the same, then we need to do few things as far as the format is concerned. So I will open up the format panel. I will go right over here and I will open up the format panel. Format panel has been opened. And in format panel, let me first go in the layout. Okay. So there are multiple things which I will do. First in the layout. So in the layout, I will choose the option. It is compact. So I will choose the option outline. Please choose the option of outline.
Done.
Great. Once you have chosen the option of outline, then you have some arrows in the matrix. Do you see arrows? There are 4 arrows.
Yes.
Please click on the last one. Do you see now particular column?
Yes.
Great. Now we need to, because the reason of the index column is to show the revenue at the right place. So it works like an Excel. If you hover your mouse, so you will see that your mouse is changing its shape in the middle of index and particular. So this means that you can increase the column width. So we need to hide this column of index. Okay. It will, of course, do some working, but once your mouse shape is changing in between index and particular column, just hide the index column. It is disturbing the format. We will do it. We will remove this formatting error, but first hide the index column.
Done.
Great. Now we need to do one activity in 3 format options. Okay. We need to turn off the option of text wrap. Okay. So where we can do, we need to do this in, okay, let me see. Yes. So we need to do it in these 3 options: value, column heading, and row heading. Value, text wrap, turn off. Column, text wrap, turn off. And row headings, text wrap, turn off. Okay. So please turn off text wrap in format panel. There are 3 options, or 3 formatting options, which is in value, column heading, and row heading.
Done.
Good. We are at a stage where we need to build one formula that will add everything over here, because right now we have calculated the elements one by one. So if I add, like, let me just give you an example. If I add revenue, So it doesn't know where to add revenue. So it will, of course, not show it. So like we do in Excel, we need revenue. It should be revenue in front of revenue, direct cost in front of direct cost. Value should be there. So we will build a formula. Because in Power BI, you can add one formula for one column. So we will build a formula. So I am now building a formula which will have the value of income statement right at the right place. I will click on all measures, click on new measure. This will be a starter. It will not be a complete formula as it is. IS template. Okay. And I will then stop because the concept part is important. So I will first let me explain you the concept of variable because we have reached to a point. Remember, once we were discussing the DAX working, DAX. Yes, so there were quite number of elements we discussed, but I have not discussed variable. I said we will discuss it later on. So now it's a time because we will be using variable. So what is a variable? Okay, so let me give you a concept. There are a few slides for variable. So let me just go through the slides first, and then let me just give you the concept of variable. Okay, as far as variable is concerned, this is a theoretical part, and then we will go for a practical part. As far as variable is concerned, it is used to store a value, a result in DAX. It can be hard code value. It can be a complex DAX. There are two reasons. It improves the performance, and it, of course, you can read the code. So theoretically, a variable has a 5 elements. Like this is, you need to write var, then variable, then this one is equal to, then the expression, and then return. So these are 5 elements. Okay. So how these 5 elements are added? So you can see the formula at the top. Okay, this formula. In this formula, the area which is in red, do you see anything which is duplicated? Yes or no? The area which is red, do you see anything which is duplicated? Any formula which
Yes.
is duplicated? Okay, which
Date
one?
add, date add, calculate.
Yes. So this complete formula is duplicated. You're exactly right. So this long formula can be shortened up by this one, by using a variable. So once I use this last year, so it will do the calculation which is given over here. Okay. So this is a conceptual part of variable, conceptual part. That's it. I will go for the conceptual part as far as practical assignment is concerned, but as far as the theoretical concept or definition is concerned, this is clear. Yes or no? Do you have any question?
Clear.
Okay, let's go for the conceptual part right over here. Okay, I just need your attention. That's it, nothing else. So this is the concept of variable. Okay, so I am now writing var. So this is, I can give any name, alpha. Okay, alpha name, I can store a number like 3. I can go var beta, I can give any name. There are few names which are reserved, and I will go revenue, and then I will go write return. Okay. And then I'm saying alpha multiplied by beta. Okay. So in short, I'm saying multiply revenue by 3. Okay. So if I go right over here in the measure, so this is my revenue and this is the concept one. Okay. So my revenue is multiplied by 3. Okay. So how to add it, or what is the structure of the formula and how to add the same? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, the very technical. I think I couldn't get it. Maybe I
Sorry?
will. Very technical. I think I will just go through the topic again when we have the recording.
Yes, of course, because this technical element is used in all of our statements. We will use it, practically use it right now. So
Okay.
once we are here, we know this thing, then now it's time to add or use the variable in practical manner in Power BI. So let me just go in all measure, new measure, and let me just go through with the part. So I will, okay, let's make this one right. Okay, okay. I will repeat the formula of variable. Okay, no problem. So if you want the formula of the variable, so this is the formula variable. Do you want me to copy it? Okay, so I copied that part. Okay, yes, and let me just add the formula of income statement. Okay, so this is IS template. So I'm using a variable. I can give any name. I'm giving a name of current selection. It can be alpha, beta. Okay. It can be even C. No worries. So it can be any. And I'm going for a formula selected value IS template. Return. Okay. Switch true is once you use both, it is index match. It's like an index match. Have anyone used index match in the combination? So it is like index
Yes.
match. Yes.
Yes. In Excel.
So it's like using the same, or you're using a nested if formula. So I'm giving the indication if the current selection is equal to revenue, then place revenue. Okay. So don't repeat this formula. First of all, because this is a conceptual part, so I just need you to just focus on the formula itself. And I will just place this formula. Okay. Just place this formula just for you to understand. Okay. So what this formula is doing, let me just go right over here. Okay. So in this formula, I am starting with a variable. Okay. This variable is referring this column. Okay. So in this variable, I'm saying that I have a column where I have everything: revenue, direct cost, gross profit, everything. Okay. Now, the second part, which is this one right over here, this part is saying it's like a simple nested if statement. If this condition is fulfilled, then do this. So this part of the formula is saying that once this condition is fulfilled, okay, once you find, in short, once you find revenue, just place the revenue in front of it. So it is, in short, it is going row by row. It is scanning the text. And once it finds the exact text, which is given over here, so it will place the formula. Okay. Now I will stop. And I am open for questions regarding this formula, because this is an important formula. We'll use it income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. The concept part is important.
Okay, so Muhammad, that means
Please.
if this is you can say the master key or master formula, and how the mechanism it works, since it is scan the template line by line, which is very smart, I can say. That means, so we will just repeat this formula and then change revenue with direct cost, and then change direct cost with gross profit, and like this, then it will do the math for the other items below the revenue,
Exactly.
right?
Exactly. We will repeat it again and again for the
Great,
next, say, 7-8
great,
items.
great. Also, I have question here. If you can answer it later. For the at the very beginning, I remember when we came to the sheet of the EBITDA or the calculation. You remember, we said that we have to remove all the subtotals, and in the original income statement, and then we come to EBITDA. You stop there and you say that for a reason we will leave this not like the others. We have to remove it. So just want to remind then if this have relation with this practice now or
No,
no?
no,
Okay, good. Good.
no relation.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So, Mr. Musa has actually explained what I will do to complete this formula. So I will go row by row and repeat this formula. But this is actually one of our first important formula. The other formulas are also important, of course, they are feeding it. But this is one of the important formula for the statements. We are preparing different statements. Financial statements are pet statement, but of course, different statements as well. So if and actually this is a good time, because right now we are taking a break of, say, 3 days. So you can go for the recording. I will complete the formula. Okay. I will complete the formula right now, so that you can easily just look for the formula and complete it again. So what I will do, I will just copy paste the same formula from my file. Okay. This one right over here. So let me just repeat the same formula. So I repeated the same thing. That's it. And I will give this formula to all the participants in the. Okay, so this formula has exceeded more than 1,000 words. So it is not allowing me to share the formula. No problem. I will share this formula in the.
In the WhatsApp.
Yes, not in the WhatsApp, in the text file. So I will just add a text file, is template. I can share it in the WhatsApp as well. No problem at all. But let me just open up the text file. Okay, no, this is not the text file. Yes, this is text file. So let me just. So I have shared a text file now. Yes, so it is shared in the chat of Zoom. This one, please add it and see if you can see the income statement. Okay, because right now we have our income statement in front of us. This is incomplete, I know, but let's just.
Kashyap, I applied
I
this
have it,
formula.
but mine
Only
is
thing
showing
what I
total.
different I have is even in the below each row I'm getting also total.
Same here. I'm having total as well.
Okay, so this is how it looks, right?
Yes.
Okay, so please open up the format panel. In the format panel, you have these two options: column subtotal and row subtotal. Do you see?
Yes.
Okay, turn both of them off. Turn off both of them.
Done. I
Okay,
think we are keeping
so
it.
now your income statement is much more congested. There is no empty rows, right?
Yes.
Okay,
True.
so
Muhammad, I don't have this format. Can I share my screen, please?
yes, why not? Just give me 1 minute. Can you give me 1 minute? Let me just do this one
Okay.
thing. For to appear the gaps, go in the index, choose the option show item with no data. So you will have it is not a congested income statement. It's a simple income statement. Okay,
Done.
great. This was actually our session for today. I will request Mr. Anis to please share his
Yeah.
screen. And
Okay.
if anyone has any questions, so please, after this part, I'll be open for questions.
You see my screen?
Yes, of course. So can I cannot request for the control. Okay, sure, no problem. Can you click on the table where you see
Control?
index 1, 2, 3? No. I cannot because I cannot have the control. So please click on the table.
Table? Where is table? Yes. Where?
No. Where you see the index? Index?
No,
No.
one
In
minute,
the
please.
sheet. No. Right over here. Do you see 11, 12, 13?
No, I'm not seeing. What is this one?
It is in front of you. 11, 12, 13.
No, because I share another screen. Wait 1 minute. I'll share again.
Yes, please. Because if you're using an official computer where there is a restriction, so it bars me to control your screen. Okay. You have shared your screen, okay?
Yeah.
You have put the background in canvas, right? You can
I'm not
see
understand.
11, 12, 13. You can see 11, 12, 13.
11, 12. Yeah.
Yes. Just click on this one. Just click.
1 minute, please.
Just
Yes.
okay.
This one?
Yes, just click. Okay. You see 4 arrows at the top?
This one?
Arrows. Yes, last one.
Arrow?
Yes,
Last
last
one?
one. Last arrow.
Last arrow.
Okay. Just unshare your screen. Let me share my screen. Unshare your screen,
1 minute.
please. Can you unshare your screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So just see my screen.
Yeah.
You are at a stage where you have one table, and in table you have index and particulars. Okay. This is a table.
Yeah.
You see?
Yes. Yeah, I see. Yes.
Ajay, you are working with two screens or one screen?
Two screens.
Do you have an additional screen or two screens? Okay, great.
No,
So
yeah,
this
I connect
is
the screen.
the situation
This.
in which you are. Okay, Mr. Anis.
Yeah.
So this is the arrow. This is the last arrow. 4 arrows. You see at the top
Okay. Yeah,
this arrow?
I see.
Please,
Yes.
can I
Okay.
request you to please click on this arrow?
Yeah, I clicked
Great.
already.
Do you see revenue, direct cost, gross profit?
Yeah, I see. Yes.
That's great. That's great. And now I will request you to open format. Format. Did you open format?
Where? Format, yes, I open format.
This
Yeah.
is right over here. Do you see my cursor? This is format panel.
Yeah, I
Did
see.
you open format panel? Great.
Yes.
Format panel is opened. That's good.
Yeah.
Open layout style.
Yeah, I opened already.
Okay. Choose outline.
Outline from style or
Yes,
layout?
outline from here.
Outline.
Yeah,
Okay.
outline, this one.
Okay.
Do you see revenue, everything in front of index?
Yeah, I see, but I have small screen. I don't know why my screen is small. This box is small.
Okay, yes, your box can be enhanced by, if you can see down over here, there is zoom option. Right over here, there is
Yeah.
zoom option. Do you see?
Yeah, I see. Yes.
Okay, so you can make it big.
Yeah, I make it.
It's totally up to you. Okay,
Okay.
great. So now you have the template, and now you need to just add the formula, the IS template formula, which I have given. Okay,
Yeah.
so just add the template formula and you will have the figures.
Okay.
Okay, are we good? Do you need any
Okay, no.
other support?
No, خلاص. Okay, thank you.
Okay, great. If you are good, you know how to move forward, that's great. And if you are stuck, please give me the indication. I will love to help you. Okay, great. So dear participants, this was our first flavor of the income statement which we created. But before leaving, let me just give you the indication regarding other things. Okay, there is one question. Yes, Miss Mary Lau, please.
Yeah, this might be a hypothetical question. I want to ask about accuracy of the figures. Okay, so for an example, here in the in the sample of your visual, you are showing me a revenue of 121,349, right? So what if in my actual sheets, the tables, there is a difference on the amount? For an example,
Okay, so
unlike
where
pivot
do you see the
table,
difference?
yeah, see, and pivot table, you can click the figures and it will show you the breakup. What is the
So
breakup
what
of
is the income statement over
121?
there?
So can you tell me like how to check? Like for example, there is discrepancy on the figures. Because here it will display automatic the figure after applying all those formulas. So what if by mistake we click some different columns or something like that? So how to track the difference?
Okay, yes, that's a good question. Of course, figures are to be correct. So you
Because what I'm
always
saying in pivot, one figure, you can just double click it. It will give the breakup, how that total comes. So here in Power BI, like I want to double check the 121,349. What is the breakup of this? Just to double check the figures. So, because I'm concerned on accuracy of the figures.
yes, that's a good question. So if doing the project to implement, you will always have a correct reference file to check, validate the numbers. It's always there.
The source
Right
files.
now, oh, yes, there is one file which is a validation file which has a correct number. Once you are working in Power BI, let's see, you are implementing a project in your organization. So
Mhm.
you can always check the formula of individual item. So this formula is aggregating all the level 2. So this is how you work back. It in Excel, once you click, it will give you the option.
So where
In
it is
Power BI,
linked,
it
the
will
formulas.
not do.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
So you will have to check that this is my column and this is my level 2. It is aggregating level 2. So you will have to go back to that very file. So this is my file. This is my level 2. So I will have to just check on level 2. I think there is one indication which is made. So I will have to check my level 2. So this is revenue. So I will go over here. So these are revenue. So I will have to add all the figures. So this is 121,349,054. This is 121,349,054.
Okay. All right, fine.
Okay. So you will have to individually check this part. Of course, you have asked the practical question. This is how it works. So you will have to check the numbers accordingly. So it's correct. Okay. So there is a method which is different as far as validation is concerned. Okay. Thank you, Miss Marilau, for the question. So any other questions? Okay, great. So we have budget, we have forecast, we have a lot of things to work with. Have a good weekend, have a good week. Let's meet on Tuesday as planned, and let's complete our income statement analysis, and then we will jump to the balance sheet. Okay. Thanks a lot, and let's meet on Tuesday on the same time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.